Welcome to Beyond the Horizon, where we challenge the status quo. Today, we're discussing a hot topic, the shape of our planet. There seems to be a lot of TikTokers that are bringing about some amazing and compelling opinions. I'm Aiden, and I firmly believe the Earth is flat.
And I'm Maia, here to bring a little round reality to the table. So Aiden, let's kick this off. You say the Earth is flat. Why?
Let's start with some straight evidence. Flat earthers have just used an advanced laser gyroscope, expecting it to prove the Earth doesn't rotate. Instead, it showed no movement, supporting a flat Earth.
Actually, that experiment detected a 15-degree per hour drift, which aligns perfectly with a rotating globe. It's a misunderstanding to claim it supports a flat Earth.
But what about the firmament mentioned in Genesis, where it claims that it divides the waters above from the waters below? That's why the sky is blue. There's no to infinity and beyond, as they want us to believe, and there is water above the sky.
The firmament likely refers to the sky or atmosphere, and I'm sure that when it mentions divides the waters above from the waters below, it is talking about the evaporation that happens when water goes to the clouds before turning into rain. The blue sky is due to Rayleigh, scattering, where sunlight is scattered by the atmosphere, and blue light travels farther due to its shorter wavelength.
Interesting, but when I look out at the horizon, it's flat as a pancake. If the Earth were round, wouldn't we see a curve?
The Earth's size means the curve isn't visible at ground level, but from higher altitudes, or over the sea, the curve is evident. Ships disappear hull first over the horizon, which wouldn't happen on a flat surface.
Many ancient civilizations believed in a flat Earth. Are we saying they were all wrong?
They weren't wrong for their time, but our understanding has evolved. We now have extensive evidence from astronomy and physics that supports a spherical Earth. As a matter of fact, the first early mentions of any spherical Earth dates back to the 5th century BC.
Science is ever-changing, and we simply don't know what we don't know. Who's to say we won't discover something new that turns it all on its head?
True, science adapts with new evidence, but for now all evidence points to a globe. We follow the data, and that's what makes science reliable. As a matter of fact, a very well-known astrophysicist named Neil deGrasse Tyson mentions how the Earth is not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid. This means the Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator due to its rotation.
Two-chain Neil, fair point Maya, I guess you got me this time.
Once upon a time, in a land so grand, there lived a king who thought he had it planned. His scholars and advisors all tried to explain, but he stood firm, refusing to change. They said, "Your Highness, the Earth is round. Science and logic, it's a fact that's found." But the king, with his stubborn mind held so tight, said, "No, I can see it. It's flat. I'm right." His scholars showed him maps, they explained it all. But the king replied with such a mighty drawl, "The land I can see, it stretches far and wide. It must be flat no matter what you decide."
Well, listeners, what do you think? Is the Earth flat, or is it a globe? Comment your thoughts below.
And if you enjoyed our debate, check out the next video on screen and subscribe for more discussions. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.